In this video, I will show you how to withdraw money from your Wise account to an Indian bank account. First, you need to create a Wise account if you have not done yet. Check the link in the description below. After that, make sure you have some funds in your Wise account to withdraw. Next, click on Send here. You can choose the send money either from your balance or your bank. I will select from balance since I am withdrawing from my Wise balance to an Indian bank account. If you live in India, choose Indian rupee as your currency. If not, set it to international and select Indian rupee as the currency for the transfer. Then enter how much you want to send. I will choose an 1 euro for this example. You will see that it should arrive in second. Now click continue. If you are sending to your own bank, select myself. If it's someone else, select someone else. If it's a business or charity, select that option. If sending to someone else, fill in their email address. If you know their bank details, enter them here. Then click confirm and review. Once done, the money will be transferred to the Indian bank account. If you don't know the recipient's bank details, uncheck the box and enter their email, full name and preferred language. They will get an email to fill in their bank details and receive the transfer. That's how to withdraw money from Wise to an Indian bank account. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.